So you've just completed your 3 sets of 10 push-ups. So let me show you what comes next. What comes next are 20 squats. So let's just assume you finished here in your plank, and it's 4, 3, 2, 1. After your last set of push-ups, you're going to step in with your right foot, step in with your left foot, and you're going to line up your toes right behind your blocks. Your next thing is 20 squats. And these are just traditional, boring up-down squats. I'm going to do them so that they face you, so you can watch my knees. So you shoulders down, navel back, ribs closed, hands go here. You're going to bend your knees until your elbows touch your quads. That's 2. Push the floor down, pull the navel back 3. Sit low, navel back 4. Push down, that's 5. Push down, navel back 6. Shoulders towards the hips 7. Navel back, that's 8. 9. Let's do 10 more. Navel back 1. Shoulders down 2. Get your butt parallel to the floor 3. 4. Ribs stay closed 5. Shoulders down 6. Navel back 7. Ribs closed 8. 9. One more time, and 10.